Hi, my name is Brandon, and today we are talking about Patreon. Now hold up, but before you click off the video, unsubscribe, throw your computer out the window, I just want to share with you my thoughts for 1 second. About 6 months ago, Jake, you know Jake, you know Jake. For about 6 months, Jake and I have been talking about Patreon and what that could possibly mean for me. Ad nauseum. I was honestly kind of hesitant about the whole entire concept because I've never truly seen a Patreon that I've ever been amazed by. They've always been, cool and interesting, but just not for me. So ever since that initial conversation, we've just been thinking about what that could possibly mean for us, what I could offer you. So there's been a bunch of main objectives with this project. The first being, I know that you guys want a lot of stuff and I really want to give it to you, and this is the opportunity to do that. And the other huge objective for me is to make sure that this in no way interferes with any existing content or social media. I basically want Patreon to be its own ability to produce content, its own separate platform altogether that allows me to create and talk to you guys even more. So in short, I'm not going anywhere. You're just gonna be seeing a lot more of me, so get ready. But to give you a quick breakdown of phase 1 of this project, I want to do a quick overview of each tier. Okay, so tier number 1. Basically, this is the backbone of this whole entire endeavor. You buy my coffee, you keep our lights on, and for that, I really appreciate it. Ostensibly, besides getting bragging rights knowing that you're supporting this project, you also get a newsletter every month, as well as early access to YouTube videos. Number 2, basically this is the tier that the photo nerd in me absolutely loves, and it's really the tier for photo lovers to congregate and enjoy for themselves. So 2 Saturdays a month, I will be holding an hour-long live stream editing photos on Lightroom and various other editing apps, while also answering questions from you guys. This can pertain to my coffee and shoe obsession, or actual editing questions. And number 3, finally, this is the tier that you all have been waiting for. You have asked for high-resolution versions of my photos many times, and I've heard you. This is your moment, though. This tier is all about my archive, all of the photos that I've ever taken and new ones. At the beginning of the month, you will receive a curated selection of photos that you can do whatever you want with. Make it your new wallpaper, plaster your bathroom walls with them, really, it's up to you. Now this goes without saying, but the higher you go in tiers, you still get access to what the previous tiers grant. And that's all she wrote. That's been a year in the making. I've had to keep my mouth buttoned for a year. That's really hard for me. So now it's finally live, it's official, and I'm really excited about it, and I hope you are too. And I hope to see you over there. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. Take it easy. Bye.